Ready to move your USDT from Bybit to Binance with ease? Let's jump straight into it. First, open your Binance app and tap on Deposit. This is where we'll get the address to send your USDT. Next, select USDT. It's the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Very important, choose your network carefully. For this example, we will use Usdt, but make sure the network matches on both Bybit and Binance to avoid losing your funds. Now, copy the USDT deposit address Binance has provided. Double check it. Even a small mistake can cause issues. Now, head over to your Bybit app assets, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. Select USDT from your asset list, and then tap Withdraw. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field again. Ensure the network is correct. Usdt, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review all the details on last time. Make sure the address, network, and amount are correct. Then, tap Confirm. You may need to complete a security verification process like entering a code sent to your email or phone. The transfer is now in progress. It usually takes a few minutes for the USDT to appear in your Binance account. Depending on network congestion, you can check the transaction status on both Bybit and Binance.